Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how we lost $350, right, on today's fake out. So right here, right, we saw Apple heavy selling. We'll see on the Apple 5-minute. Look right here. This market open. Just wait for it. Look, market open, slow pops, and then heavy selling, right? Apple heavy sold off right here. This is where we entered puts, right, on SPY. But look, it's still selling. This is still selling, but look here on SPY, market open. Look, small bounce, right? Small bounce, and then we break this low right here. We break this low, right? And then we enter our puts off this break of this low. Look, right afterwards, it gets bought back up. On the same candle, it gets bought back up, and look, on the next 5-minute candle, it just continues to go up. So this is like kind of a trade recap on like why we lost technically. We just got faked out. Like SPY did not follow Apple. Here, I'll show the Apple 5-minute candle here. Like it's still dropping on the 5-minute. It still drops from 141 to this is almost a $1 drop. Right? And it gets bought back up. Let's see in the next 5-minute candle. Look, it gets bought back up and bought back down, and it gets bought back down again. And then eventually it comes back up, and this is where we like got stopped out. See, it rips up. But yeah, off this candle, right? This 5-minute candle, look, SPY immediately got back up, while Apple just kept on knifing. Let's play this candle out. I believe it continued to rip here, actually. Yeah, it did. But yeah, that's kind of how we got faked out, because we saw heavy selling on Apple, but then SPY heavy sold and it got bought back up instantly. And let's see. Right here, look, this is where we got faked out, or just where we got like stopped out for like 40%. Once we got entered this break of this low, we were green for like 5%, but no one scales out at 5%, right? So we held, and then we got stopped out here at like 40% around here. But yeah, that's just really unfortunate, but this is like a tool to help you guys like rate price action. I'll be using this a little bit more in the recap videos. But yeah, that's kind of how we lost $350, right? Look, here's the fills. We filled at $86 off the break of this low, then immediately got back up, and then we had to sell for 52 cents, $52, right? So minus 40%. So trade reasoning: Apple heavy red, heavy selling, as you guys saw right here. SPY tends to lag behind. This is how we catch all of our SPY plays. Apple or SPY tends to lag behind Apple, so when Apple heavy sells, we grab puts on SPY before the premiums go up, right? And then SPY dumps. That's really how we catch our SPY plays. Exit reading stopped out 40%. So we saw contracts go to negative 20% from SPY getting bought back up, but with our bearish PPI was bad, so my bias was bearish because PPI bad plus Apple going down. Maybe it is just temporary buying, so I held and didn't respect my rules of stopping out minus 40%, 20%. So we sold for minus 40%. So look right here, gonna buy back up immediately after we entered, then minus 30%. Held because Apple was still heavy red. That's where the hopium kicked in, so I didn't respect my rules of selling at minus 20%. And then we sold for minus 40%, and eventually got hit. So we turned our usual $175 loss to a $350 loss. It's unfortunate, but we'll come back for this on Monday. But yeah, that's kind of how we got faked out today. So next time, we'll wait for a candle close. Just impatience and not respecting our rules. Fuck this over today. So yeah, guys, hope you guys learned from this, and yeah.